The 2011 Mercedes-Benz R-Class. Beyond expectations, not to mention description, the 3-row R-Class has room for 6 passengers in its flexible interior. The ride is comfortable and quiet. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, heated seats, DVD system, stability control, power sunroof, CD changer, 4-wheel ABS, airbags, alloy wheels. Come see the car for yourself.